thank you for watching. Many people experience this, that when you are young, time seems to drag on so slow. It's like an eternity from one year to the next. And as you get older, things go faster and faster and faster and faster. And I'm going to give some reasons why I believe we experience this. One, of course, is proportionality. If you're 10 years old, 5 years is half of your life. So it seems so long. When you're 50 or 60 years old, 5 years is like a small portion. So it seems so much smaller. Another reason is, I call this milestones and newness. When you're a child, there's so many new big things happening in your life. You learn to read, you learn to write, new concepts for the first time. You learn math, you learn geography, you learn this. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Each one feels like a whole new world. And when you're an adult, yes, you do learn new things, but not as dramatically different. And it's more of a routine. Like instead of grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, it's 5 years at this job, 4 years in this job, 4 years in that job. It's like 3 different chapters rather than many issues happening. And repetition and the same routine will compress our time perception. And I believe there's also lots of research being done that says metabolism slows down as we age and the brain processes time differently. So does time really go faster? No, but the experience of time, it changes. So I suggest, as new things make times go slower, we should look for new things. If time is flying away anyway, we should be the pilot of time, not just the passenger of time. As always, your comments are always welcome, and thank you for watching.